let's check out on the daily. We have a SPY. Last 2 days, we have a nice pump, held supports on double bottoms, held support. Basically have that. So I'm expecting this to maybe come back down here and then pump through. It just depends though. It just depends. We closed or we ticked out the high here on Thursday. So this can obviously mean a dump. But I just got a feeling we're stronger to the upside. So let's just kind of see what happens here. But anything can change here. I have a good spot to gauge as well for a downtrend. I have an alert set here just because of this wick and this wick here as well. So we'll keep an eye on it. But if we pump above here, definitely going back up to 598. So we'll have our alert set. Those are levels our play. I really don't want to take it. Really don't want to take it down. But if we have to, we'll take it down. I have to look at the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour looks fine as well. 90. We're stabilizing up here. It's just so we're gonna have enough buyers to push it up. We'll see. We're holding this. We're holding this still. So keep an eye on it. Let's see NQ here. Let me go to regular trading. So we still have that uptrend from yesterday, real clean uptrend. You could see if we get underneath this level here, we get underneath, push down, push back up into this. You could look to play it short, probably back down to these lows here. If we don't get that, if we get a fake out, probably look for a long as well, somewhere in here, somewhere in here. Long, take it back up. But yeah, I'm gonna set my level here with an alert. We'll see what happens there. What does ES look? So ES didn't break the high, SPY did, so it's kind of the same scenario here. I mean, we are at golden pocket here. We'll see what happens there, but so far nothing crazy. We do have jobs report 15 minutes, so that should help it move. But keep an eye on these levels here. We have our bottom, other bottom. This was, I believe, golden pocket here. Yeah, off golden pocket. Let me see where our negative 2360 is at. Yeah, so our negative 2360 hit last night. This would be the next level here at the 6180 that we'd be targeting. So I'd look for some type of possible push into this level. Maybe take out these highs here or from resistance, turn support. Probably move that a little bit better as well. Probably looking at, your support there. Just kind of get some confluence there. Let's see about this to this. Could do a golden pocket bounce into this resistance here. So that's probably what I look for if we can get that bounce into there. Or we can play the open range as well. We have our bottom and top range. So we got 3 different type of scenarios we can definitely trade. So we'll keep an eye on both of those. Let me open up NQ here. Rid of the session breaks. It's easier to see. I'm saying one scenario in here to pop up higher. Another scenario could also be break below there, pop into here, dump. Let's see, it's in queue. Another thing I'd love to take is if we get a close here, this could be the bottom. Definitely enter a long in here. Stop there. We have 4 minutes left on it. Yeah, definitely want to see if we can hold this level here, 1 hour. Yeah, we got two different types of things we're going to be doing. We are at resistance, so where would golden pocket be on this? Yeah, golden pocket is also here. Golden pocket is also here and coincides with supports. So we could get a dump to there. That's just a 1 hour dump, pretty aggressive dump. So I don't know if we'll get there. Another thing we could do is just take our golden pocket from here to there. That coincides with here, and you can take it from there just because this is the start of this push up. This one was the start of this push, and this is the start of this push. We could take golden pocket from there to there. I'm just gonna set some alerts here. Let's say golden pocket long. All right. 2 minutes 20 seconds on this 15-minute candle. So far, I'm liking the hold here off of golden pocket. So far, really good push up. We got a minute 40 left, so keep an eye on it. But I am liking this formation here, especially if we can get back above this level here. But SPY just broke the high again. SPY broke the high again. SPY broke this high again. If we need to see if we can get it back above that, we could go lower. Coincides with this one as well. So definitely got to keep an eye on this level. But I will set my levels here for this breakout here. So keep an eye on it. Yeah, definitely want to see a close above this. So I have basically our 15 seconds left. Really looking at SPY to see if we can get above that level. All right, we got the close here. We're looking to play these two levels here. So we want to see a close above here, come back into this level, and then a pop up. Spy's at this high here, struggling. Looking at this here. Okay, really looking to see if we get a close above here. Close above here, push up, consolidate, come back down, and get us in. See, he's pretty aggressive. And Q's trying to push up. Spy is failing. If we get it closed below this blue level, I'm down to take it with a wick above the blue, into the blue, and we dump. And we could probably take it. See what happens here? But we could even take it back down. Golden pocket, the nearest golden pockets. It does look good. Does look good. Because if I entered here, it'd be kind of a hard stop. We'd have to go up here. And we kind of can only take it to here. And we don't even know if this is going to hold. Like, we're still in an uptrend here. So, but if we wait for a break below this blue, come back into this blue, I can take it here, and our stop would be somewhere in here. Then it's like a 1 to 5, 1 to 4. And if this just breaks through, we come back down in the blue, take it, and then we take it up. Either one works. I'm just seeing ES, like NQ is really strong. ES is not. It could be where NQ takes out these highs here and then falls. All right, we took out the high. And SPY is struggling a little bit. So far, we've failed it. We're failing the highs here. So nothing really telling us. So nothing telling us. SPY's still kind of up here. What I'm looking for here is with this close here, we get a push here, wick down. And when we get the wick up, we'll take it. Gotta be patient here because this could turn on us. It kind of does look like it This could be the short. Could be May if we get another push up here and we fail it. But right now it's a guessing game. All right. Back into this blue level. I'm in one in Q long. Stop loss is below this wick here, 21,560. Not risking a lot. Just knowing that this could easily come back down here and fail it. Trying to preserve capital here. 21,568. I'm getting out here. Lost 60 bucks. Just didn't like how that was moving there. So I'm expecting this to turn red here. And with the close here, we get a pump back into this level, taking it short. Taking it short, and I have a couple of places we could take it. Just got to be patient with it. Two minutes 30. If we get a close, I may enter. 2 minutes 20 on this candle. We're staying around this level. The thing we can look at here is for SPY. Just kind of see how this forms here, and we'll take the break above or the break below. I think he's really holding up this market. We got data in 7 minutes. Yeah, I mean, SPY's looking like he could fail here, but NQ still looks pretty good. That could always change. Definitely okay taking it if we get a close below that. But right now we're just waiting. Waiting for news. 4 minutes. One minute. Hmm?
Where's the clip at?
I don't know.
Did he ever join?
No.
He told me yesterday you guys heard Nate Dogg.
Yeah, what?
Say yesterday when I fell asleep around like 11:30, 12 when you guys were trading, and he said that I came unmuted and you guys heard my scream.
Yeah. Yeah, we
Yeah.
did. Mhm. Broke above the high here. I'm gonna see if it fails it. Fails it. Look for entry.
You can take it short if it falls.
Yeah.
How's the day went so far?
Took a long. Got out early. This would have been it. But I got out early just for the news.
Got you.
Nothing crazy. Get a rejection. All right. This is it. I'm just looking for an entry now.
Okay.
Might not get it.
Yeah, it looks like you might have been late. Maybe, I don't know. What to see.
is a crazy recovery.
I mean, you might be able to get an entry on it if you want to take the short. If it goes up a bit.
We had NQ sweep the. Did it sweep or did it hold? Yeah, kind of the same level here. Double bottoms. Not opposed to if we get back up to here. Just this close is a little weird. A little weird. Yeah, it's a good close on NQ as well. Kind of looking for, let's see here. I'll be down if we get one more push up into this. Tight stop into here, which is also the reclaim, the retouch of the trend line. If we fail the 59.50 again, but we'll see. Not a lot of volume on this buying pressure.
Right, right.
Would be nice to get one more push up. And it failed the 59.50 level.
Hmm, hmm.
One more push up would be nice. Little wick action, and then we take it back down. It's just, yeah, this bullish down here looks nice. Another thing we can do is if we get a close above here, wick down into this blue line, which is a 50-minute open. Enter here, take it long to 59.64. I do want to see what happens at a golden pocket here. Just looks pretty strong.
It does indeed. It's just going up, up. But
Be at 322.
you need to break that white line too.
Right. Good so far.
Really good.
We just need to see what happens here, but I do like that wick in. We get a drop below this. Yep, like that would be perfect. We're just gonna keep going.
Where are you looking to get in then?
Kind of seeing here what happens, but not in yet. I mean, this is just kind of holding support, like buyers in, you know. Let's see, this is that's 831. Yeah. So I'm looking for this to pop up higher, get a drop in there, and then we'll take it. I mean, this also looks good. I'm gonna
You want to
take
get
this long
all
here.
the way down? Or you're looking for okay.
Doing a quick long here. 21.598.50 is the stop. $21,607. Taking it there. 1 to 5. We can get that.
You're in?
Yeah. We have our wick. Our wick. This one did not break the lowest wick and it closed above here. It's usually my entry.
So where's your entry at? Is it the Y? Like middle?
Yeah, right here.
Good. Okay, okay.
It's the new high day for SPY, for ES as well.
If it's a new high, I feel like you just valid it right at that point. Either it goes even higher.
Yeah, you're basically just hoping it breaks.
Yeah. I mean, what are the odds of it plummeting all the way back down? No?
I got out break even here.
Yeah.
Um,
You didn't like it enough to keep?
no, the way it just pumped right into my stop at like break even
I mean,
point.
it's
And
in the
like,
pocket too.
yeah, I'm gonna see what happens here. If we get below here, thinking it could be a short.
Because, I mean, it
We
still
got
doesn't
20 seconds left though.
going down. So
I'm actually down to do like take it like here, stop above here, and we take it to the negative 2360. That'd be a 1 to 3. Not the right now it'd be like a 1 to 4 ish. 1.5, but we need to see. We got 2 minutes left on the 5. Actually, not opposed to this trade, but we're just kind of at the highs here. And even if this closes good, I can still re-enter. But yeah, I'm gonna get in one. Tight stop here. 21.6, 22.75.
I like this.
And if we get stopped out, um, this closes up here. We can even come back down in this 59.50, and I'll take it to the 59.64. So kind of a win-win either way. And as long as you're not risking too much, you can.
Right, you'll still be chilling.
Yeah, I don't like this close on it. All right, now we'll wait for just the breakout of this. Yeah, the hindsight trade was just stay in mine, but I think I can get a better entry. Yeah, so I'm looking at yes here.
Mm-hmm.
Looking at a break above here. Come back into this. Wick down into this. I'll take it long. Stop is below that candle wick. I think we're out of golden pocket already as well. Yeah, we're out of golden pocket as well. See, so yeah, SPY just broke above. Just broke above the high. Could come back into here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Come on. One more push down. There we go. Come on. Little bit more. Little bit more. Might not. Might not. Give it to me. 950. Yeah, that coincides as well. 324. Love to see a strong push down into in wicket. Love to see that. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on now. Ding. All right. We just need one more push down. Just one more. Might not get it though. I'm in. 596.95. Looking for a breakout here. Taking it to the 59.64 area. Yes is pumping, SPY's pumping, and Q just hasn't followed yet.
So your sign say to take it?
Huh?
So your sign say for you to take it then? Take it to the moon, bro.
There you go. That's the liquidity we needed. Come on. at the breakout level. We're failing it. Be looking at NQ's golden pocket here. 21.5, 84.50 if we get there. Look for a liquidity sweep. Let's see. At VWAP at golden pocket. Let's see if we hold this. If we do hold this, buy another. We're gonna see a push up. Good push up so far. Stop is below the wick here. entries now 21 6 13. Or 1 to 4. Got a minute left on the 5-minute ES. Really want to see how that closes. Good so far. Getting the nice push up. Finally. Looking at the 59.6450 level. Also want to make sure SPY can close above the tie here. Approaching the highs on SPY. We can see if NQ can break out here. Taking one contract off at 21.645 if we can get up there. Yes, trying to break the highs as well. Minute 30.
You just want to hold until that minute 30 hit above.
Right. Yeah, you kind of want to see if you can, because it's a year nearest high. So you're basically just waiting to see if this can close above or below. Now, if it closes below, I may take one out and then just let the other one run. Um, but I'm kind of expecting this to break. So you got a minute left. You're kind of just seeing. I mean, this was a good close here. It could be some fake out as well, but this could look pretty good to keep going, or it could just dump through. You never know.
Yeah.
But we got 48 seconds left. Also thinking if this dumps hard on spot ES and SPY, NQ shouldn't dump as hard as if it hasn't gone
Mm-hmm.
to its high yet. But I will keep an eye on it. If we dump pretty hard, I'll just take my profits and readjust. But yeah, we're still at the high here. It would be nice if we get it close above. Yeah, I'm definitely pushing into this. If we get pushed into this, I'm taking one out. Strong aggressive buy, take one out there. Looks good. Looks good when you get a push through it though. Don't want to see a dump here. Yeah, so we closed above. We want to see if we can hold above it. Kind of sucks because you're kind of stuck here. You're hoping this isn't just a fake out.
Yeah.
Because we got a nice close, but we did get some sellers step in. Not a crazy amount. And this could also be right here, just people coming in to this level right here, then popping it higher. You never know though. You never know. I have a level set here on NQ that I want to kind of hit, so I got to kind of stay in. But yeah, you are just hoping you get a hit. Just two. What do you mean?
Were you in four to begin with as well?
No, I haven't taken any out yet.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, the goal is to add one more push up. It'd be rough if we don't get it and we just fail through this, but we will see. It's kind of leaning towards a fake out, like a fake break. So I'm gonna take one out. Taking one out here. So now we're risk free on the trade. I'm going back to break even. My break even point is 21,607. So since I had two and I sold one at the high here, my average drops. So my average was like here. Now my average is here because I only have one left.
oh,
So then I just go break even right here, but technically we're like that. So this is the move I was waiting for here. Yep, this is the move I was waiting for, and I'm kind of gonna hold till I get the 59.64 on ES. See if we get it. If we don't get it, then scale out here. But would love to see a pop up. Yeah, and then this move alone already um, took back all the losses we had. The two losses.
right.
Would love to see a push through though. Little pump up, quick pump up. We hit negative 2360. It's a short side golden, like a short term, long side golden pocket.
Think it breaks that dotted, closes above.
Yeah, I'm really thinking this yellow level right here. The dotted isn't as strong, so I don't really care that much about the dotted one.
That could be a huge trade then.
Yeah, if we can get a push up, it might the yellow might correlate with this negative 6180 if we can get it. It's just a matter of if though. It hasn't been pushing up too crazy. I do think we get it. It's just a matter of we're gonna have to go through some choppy or not. Yeah, I'd love to get a pop into this. Another thing we got to keep an eye on: short side golden pocket on SPY, which we're in right now. So definitely probably one more push up and I'm out. I like my entry down here. Let's see, we're at the dotted. Really looking for one strong more push up here. I'm getting out fully out there. Just don't want to wait for it to fully grind up or down. Pretty good trade. Pretty good trade. Just not really giving us much today. It's just slowly grinding up, slowly grinding down. Yep. Yep. I would have loved if I could have just held both into here. That'd have been better, but would have been a better day. But up on the day, took back all my losses. So I might call it there unless we get if we get a quick drop below here. I might take a short here on this blue line down, but I got probably 10, 15 minutes more. Then I'm done. Might be a quick day. Not a ton of profit today, but at least it's profit. Let me pull it up. Performance stats trades. Where's the trades at? Six, 3, 9, 1,000. Yeah. Yeah. Had a couple losses though, so it's not 1,000 profit. But. Yeah, I mean, we kept waiting yesterday. We kept waiting for a move. Yeah, it was this move right here. The golden pocket. Golden pocket. We entered and we got out like prematurely, like here. We should have got out up here. So that kind of screwed us. And then the entry, I think we entered long somewhere in here or something. To the upside, we got this move down. And then I just entered more here to average in. It's like up here, somewhere over here. Like it was a big day. It was a big day. It just sucks because like I was in at the bottom here. We are in. We literally caught the bottom. It just sucks because like when you catch the bottom, you sometimes like let's say you get out here, then you're like trying to catch more, but you just got to be done after that, or just let it run to where it's supposed to run, which is the negative 2360, which is like up here. But yeah, there you go. There's that push up. Slow grind, but finally got it. And then I think ES is about to hit the yellow line. There it is. Yeah, right on it. That's where I would have been fully out. But good trade so far. Yeah, pretty choppy day. Like it's been grinding up all day, but you had this, yeah. You want it like yesterday where it's like a you know, strong push, you get consolidation, then you get another strong push up. And there we go. You just hit the that's where I would have fully taken out there. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of setting up to be like that because of this slow grind up. Right. We are in. Let me see here. This might be another thing I take. I might take that. We are in golden pocket, short side. On ES. Let me see here. Let me see. On SPY, we're in golden pocket. ES. ES, we're literally yeah, we passed the golden pocket dump. So SPY's the only one where we are in it. We are at golden pocket. So I mean, it's like here, SPY. Wait, where's SPY? 1 hour. Yeah. Let me go ES. Is ES as well? Okay. Yeah, yeah. So we're at golden pocket here. So what I could do is we'll enter 59.76 is stop, right? And that's risking 550. It'd be like this, right? And then your take profit, you're basically just hoping this just fails, pretty low, like who knows, somewhere over here, like that. That's a pretty good risk to reward, honestly, because you're risking 550 to make 3,500. In Q, let's see how in Q would look. 1 hour. In Q, same thing, right? This one may be a better option because then you could go like 21,702. You're still going to be risking quite a bit, $702.
Right.
21,693.
So like it's been slow pumping
So,
all day.
you could do like 480 here if you wanted. And that kind of coincides with this as well, with this line here. So you're just basically hoping this holds. You just don't know if it's going to hold though. Is a thing. And yeah, I mean it has been grinding up. It's been grinding up a lot. But it's still, you know, you're kind of just hoping this fails. You want to be the first one to get in. But I'm probably gonna take a short here, maybe like $250 loss, and just hope we dump for the rest of the day. If we don't dump, all I lost was 250. Like
Yeah.
nothing crazy. And you're just hoping you get a dump straight through it. But yeah, I like the risk to reward. So I'm gonna make it to where I only risk a little bit, and I'm not even in yet. So this pump helps as well. All right, and I'm gonna probably call it a day there.
Yeah, let me know or post in here how this goes.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I'll post afterwards. Then I'll probably just let it ride the whole day. But I mean, that's
The
just a
whole day?
simple trade. You really huh?
You're gonna let it ride the whole day?
Yeah, you're basically just hoping this fails.
Where's your stop loss at?
59.76 above the 78%. Somewhere in here. 59.76 is probably where I'd set the stop. Yeah. So like this is a premature entry because you technically want to wait for like maybe a 30-minute drop below here and then you enter. But since I'm leaving already, I'll be okay with if you do $200 risk here. Boom. It's $200 and you're just hoping this fails.
Right.
And then you honestly are, you know, where does it go? Like, maybe here, maybe there, maybe here. But if you get the drop, you're kind of expecting a bigger move. Basically like this move here. That's what you're kind of
Yeah, I mean
expecting.
if you get that's gonna be nice.
So that'd be a negative 2.02. So like that would I think that correlates to the negative 23 sort of. So somewhere this is kind of where you'd want to take it to down here. Um, that's just pretty highly unlikely though in one day to bring it all the way down here. That's why I just let it ride. I'm just gonna let it ride. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But yeah, I'm outie. Good
All right, bro.
trades.
I'll see you Thursday.
Yeah. Tomorrow I'll usually be on for like 30, 40 minutes and I'm off. Just kind of see how the market moves.
All
But yeah, sounds good.
right, dude. Sounds good. I'll see you then.
All right, peace.